it doesn't do this, people. This doesn't ever happen.
Oh my, you can just see it, just like.
I can't, I need to focus here.
You focus.
This is fucking scary. Oh my, alright, yeah, we made it.
Oh my god, look at this.
Stop fucking filming me.
It's funny, cause like.
No, I don't like it.
You look like you're about to shit yourself.
Yeah, dude, this is scary.
You're about to shit
This is scary as shit.
Get the headline.
So we just arrived in Vegas, and if you haven't figured it out yet, we're here for SEMA. So it's a really big car show. It's like one of the biggest in the nation, huge convention. We're really excited. Did you really break the door?
The boys out here. Finally got into SEMA. That took a long time. We like couldn't find where we were going. We just got here. It's just like it was last year. Extremely overwhelming and a lot of fucking people. I'm not gonna show you too much today because I'm just trying to get the lay of the land here, but I'm really excited. We're in Vegas.
Get the headline.
Okay, so we like been walking around for like 20 minutes or so, and I already met up with someone. This is Victor. So he's trying to get into SEMA because apparently like you need a business license to get in. I didn't really explain it yet, but not everybody's allowed to get in, but I was giving him some tips to try and sneak his way in. Thanks for saying hi.
Yeah, thanks. Shout out to TJ and Army.
There you go. Okay, so I actually just found the new like 2016 FRS. I'm gonna show you it. The color is called Lunar Eclipse. It's like an eggshell white. I don't know like how clear it shows up, but it's an eggshell white. I don't know if these are TRD stock rims, and then the interior is like this tan brown thing.
Man, they got the 80.
The amount of hot babes here is way too damn high. It's way too damn high, and it's just upsetting. It's like, oh, you're way too attractive. Every time I find myself just crying, like, that's what happens every time. I start crying because they're just too hot. That's literally like what's going on. So hot. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look who it is. Oh my god. Oh my. It started raining. It really just complicates things, really. So we made it out of the room alive, and we are back in the hotel room. I am currently editing a video for you guys, and Kevin is getting some last minute work done. I think the plan is we're gonna go back out tonight, and we're gonna go meet up with David and find some place to eat, because that's typically what you do later in the day when you haven't eaten in a while. So that's probably what's gonna happen. Ooh. 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 Yes. Kevin. Hey, make out.
And this is where today's video is going to end. I got some dinner, and now your boy is very tired. Also, I haven't said it yet, but I know that I have this really weird like pubescent like beard going on, but like No Shave Novembers right now, and I never grow my beard up because I can't grow a beard, but I'm like giving it a go because I don't know, I'm feeling crazy. But hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I don't know if it turned out well, but I had a great time, so I hope you enjoyed it. If you stayed this long, comment.
TJ's a dick.
What? What? I don't know about that, Kevin.
Comment TJ's a dick.
I guess comment TJ is a dick.
You would actually do do that? You're actually gonna say that?
Is that a bad idea?
Probably.
I got one. If you made it this far, comment TJ got a stripper in the comment section below. That's a fucking good one. Thank you guys so much for watching.
Oh my god.
I'll catch you next time. Peace out, bros.
Motivation is contagious. Hang out with those who inspire you and strive not to be like them, but only a better version of yourself. You will learn that there is a difference between alone and lonely. Life isn't always easy, but that's the beauty of it. You will learn how to be truly happy, and as much as you don't